If you're looking for baby bottles, this set by Dr. Brown's, the Anti-Colic, is awesome. So basically, you get 3 of the big bottles. You get 3 of the small bottles. You also get this super cute sippy cup, and then this one just kind of pops open like this, and of course it is really cute and easy to hold on to. You also get a teething ring. You also get the brush that comes with the little stand, and this is really great because it is a suction, so it will suction onto, like, you know, around your sink, so that this brush is not laying down on like a sink and it can get like contaminated, so that's really great as well. You do also have some lids, so let's say, you know, if you're like filling this up with milk or with juice and you want to bring this with you on the go, and you can just kind of pop that lid on there. So let's go ahead and then you can do that. Easy for storage in your bag, in the fridge, whatever you want to do. And of course, you also get some extra nipples for the bottles as well. So this is a really, really great pack. And obviously, as you can see, this one is the blue, but it does come in different colors.